Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find out someone's location on Instagram. But before we get started, make sure to check out the link for some great deals right below this video. Let's get going. First, open up Instagram and log into your account. Once you're logged in, the next step is to search for the person whose location you want to find. For this example, let's search for a popular celebrity. After finding their profile, click on it to open their account. Now, once you're on their profile, you can click on their username at the top of the screen. This will bring up the About This Account section, where you can see some basic details about their account. Depending on their privacy settings, you may see when they joined Instagram, their account status, and whether they're verified. To find the location, just look for their Account Based In section. If they've shared their location, it will appear here. And in this case, you might see that they're based in the United States. You can repeat this for other accounts too. Just search for another person, click on their profile, and you might be able to see their location if they've chosen to display it. However, keep in mind that some users may hide their location or other information from their profile. If they've chosen to edit or restrict this, you won't be able to access that data. But that's it. If you search for users who share their location, you can easily find it in their profile under the Account Based In section. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe through the link in the description. See you in the next video.